All right, quickly, here's the solutions for these. What are the names of three collinear points? Well, the only 3 points that we see that we know are on the same line are right here, F, C, and D. So we can say that's answer D. Okay. What are the names of four coplanar points? We can see that these four are on this plane, D, A, J, and B. D, A, J, and B. That's D. Okay. What do we got here? Name the line and plane shown in the diagram. Well, the line could be either line MN or line MNM, and the plane could be any of those 3 points that are on there. So we could say, okay, line uh, NM or MN and plane, let's see. So first of all, it wouldn't be this one because we can't call it line M. NM or MN, either one is fine, so the rest of them have a good answer for that. And plane has to be three uh, not 2 points named, so it can't be that. Can't be that. It would have to be C. Okay. And what is if Z is the midpoint? Then what are X, R, Z, and RT? So what you need to be doing here, you need to say, well, if this is exactly the midpoint, then we know this is equal to this, and we can write 3x minus 25 is equal to 35, and we then solve for x. Shortening my answers down here to x equals 20. Okay, and so obviously anything that doesn't have x equals 20 is going to be wrong. And then what do we need to do? Well, we certainly know that RZ, which is half of it, we just plug it back in. So if we say 20 here, 3 times 20 is 60, minus 25 is 35, so we know that RZ's got to be 35. That's this one right here. And of course, if that's 35, so is this. And that makes sense anyway because we already knew that that was 35 and this has to be equal because that's the midpoint. And then the whole thing would be 70. Yep. And then what segment is congruent to AB? Well, let's see how long AB is. AB is what's 7 minus negative 2? That's the same as, negative 7 minus negative 2. It's the same as negative 7 plus 2, or negative 5. Absolute value of that is 5. So we're looking for a segment that's 5 units long. And we can see that C to D is 5 units. So we would say segment CD. That's it.